Hi, I'm Joey. Welcome to WaterSports Factory Insider. Today I'm in a high-end carbon pedal factory and I'm here to show you how a carbon pedal is made. This is a small factory located in Fuyang, Hangzhou, China. Fuyang is also the production base for pedals and bolts. This factory has 6 workers and is capable of producing 12,000 high-end pedals every year. The vast majority of these are OEM orders. When I walk around in the factory, I can see varieties types of pedals: kayak pedal, SUP pedal, ultra canoe pedal, dragon boat pedal. All the pedal manufacturing process are interrelated. Before presenting the production process, I would like to explain the structure of a pedal. Usually, a pedal has 3 parts: the blade, the shaft, and the handle. Most of the pedal factories do not produce shafts by themselves. Usually they purchase shaft from shaft factory. According to the requirements of order, the shaft can be different material, different shape, and different stiffness. And in this factory, they make blade and handles by themselves. Okay, now let's follow my camera to see how a carbon pedal is created. This is a CNC machine. The first step to make the blade is to use a CNC machine to carve out a PVC foam. Okay, like this one. This is a PVC foam. This is the rack for storing shaft. Different kind of shafts. These are molds. After we have a foam core in the shape of blade, the next step is to place it in the mold, wrap it with carbon fiber fabric and epoxy resin. Yeah, that's epoxy resin. And put them together into the mold, and then continue heating and pressurizing it with this hydraulic machine to obtain a carbon fiber blade. When it comes to carbon fiber fabric, there are actually many different types. Okay, let me show you. These materials are different strengths, different texture. Yeah, it's totally different. Like, as I know, like 3K, 12K, and this 3-dimensional, like diamond. Yeah, this one is beautiful. I love it. And some special one. This is also beautiful. Look at this one. This metallic carbon. Wow, so beautiful. This is a real carbon. You know, the cool thing is that you can actually leave a layer of real wood, you know, into the mold on the blade to make it looks like a pedal made of real wood. Yeah, this is real wood. This is bamboo, and this walnut. Besides, if you want to put the logo inside the blade, you also need to place the logo on the top layer in the mold during the carbon fiber laying process. Yeah, it's interesting. Okay, let's start the process now. This is a SUP pedal mold. Okay, first she puts the logo on the top of the blade. Yeah, this is the logo. Okay, now she's mixing the epoxy resin. This is another side of the blade. Okay, the logo first and then the carbon fabric. One important thing when laying carbon fiber layers is to place reinforcement layers in special area like this. You know, to make the blade stronger. This is the reinforcement layer. Okay, now put the PVC core inside. Okay, now let's take a look at handle mode. The handle is made through a blow molding process, which results in higher strength and lightweight because it is hollow inside. Yeah, this is the mold. This is the machine. Interesting, right?
1 hour later.
Okay, now it's time to take the blade out. Whoa. Oh, it's hot. Look at this. So beautiful. Okay. Okay, now we get a blade from the mold, but it is still rather rough, especially this part. So next step is to cut and polish it. Okay, let's do it. Okay, here it is. So beautiful. I like it. So now we have a blade, we have a shaft, and we have a handle. So the last step is to put them together. Okay. I get a new pedal. Kind of with two pedals. Okay, that's all the video. If you like my video, just give me a like and follow me. Okay, I'm Joey. See you next time. Bye bye.